Welcome to a much anticipated Thunder or Blunder beer reaction. And today I have the Cook's Ice Baby, the 24 ounce. Guess how much it cost? Take a guess. $1. $1, baby! And we're about to find out what it's all about. Oh, yes, we are. Can's been popped. And we're about to find out what it's all about. You know what's funny? It's better than Keystone Light. It's better than Natty Ice. It's for damn sure better than Boxer, if you guys have ever had that before. And you don't even need to mess with a 211 or a King Cobra. For $1, this is a 5-star situation. As an overall beer, I gotta give this a solid 8 out of 10. But for the price, it is truly a masterpiece. It is truly a gem, a diamond in the rough. Thunder, 10 out of 10. Thumbs up, guys. Make sure you go to Big Red Liquors. That is the place here in central Indiana that you can get it. It is also available nationwide at various other locations. Hook it up. Get it, man. You can't beat that. $1 for a 24 ounce, man. $4 or $5? You're split, baby. Wig split, head cracked in half. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Wallbucks. I'm also on Instagram at Thunder or Blunder. And also, I am now on TikTok at Thunder or Blunder. See you guys later.